Step 1. After opening the box and removing the parts for the easel, you should see that the lower half of the easel is bolted together but needs to be secured together using 2 brass washers and 2 black turn knobs. Open the legs out and stand the base up, then secure with the 2 brass washers and the 2 black turn knobs. Step 2. Position the upper and lower parts of the easel and attach together using 2 2¼ bolts and 2 brass levers. The upper half of the easel will fit within the lower half of the easel. Make sure to tighten fully to sink the opposite end of the bolt into the wood to properly secure. Step 3. Secure the back support of the bottom half of the easel by first inserting the black plastic washer into the slide groove on the back support, with the flat side facing towards the wooden block that the final bolt will fit through, and then securing with the final bolt and black turn knob. Make sure to tighten fully to sink the opposite end of the bolt into the wood to properly secure. Step 4. Slide the bottom canvas support onto the easel from the bottom up and tighten the black turn knob to secure. Use the final black turn knob to secure the top canvas support to the easel. This is located in the back and top of the easel.